Long ago, there was a giant monster in the jungle. It had 3 heads. One head always laughed. Haha. The second head sat quietly in seriousness. The third head screamed, "I'm hungry. Feed me, or I'll eat someone." All creatures feared the monster. No one wanted to stay in the jungle. Yet one bird wasn't afraid, Tun-Tuni. Tun-Tuni, small, wise, and brave. She said, "Do 3 heads mean you know everything? I'm alone, but very clever." The monster roared, "I'll eat you now." Tun-Tuni replied, "You love to eat? Wait, I'll cook for you." The monster was delighted and waited. Tun-Tuni cooked a special dish. She added hot chilies, bitter gourds, and rotten fruits. As soon as the monster tasted it, all 3 heads screamed. "Ugh, so spicy and bitter. It's terrible." 3 heads started running in different directions. One shouted, "Water, please," another, "Save me." The third said, "I'll eat fruits now." Tun-Tuni laughed, "Not size, but wisdom matters, monster brother."